Hello and welcome to our channel. How are you all doing? Well, this week has been a work for us. We've been working day and night and throughout to search a content that is relative for all of us. We've been working on a content, we've been working on something which is very much common in all our lives. I wanted to work upon something जो हमें और आपको हर एक को महसूस होता है और शायद इसे कहीं ना कहीं हमने नेचुरल छोड़ दिया है या नेचुरल समझ लिया है। आज की वीडियो की शुरुआत हम करेंगे कुछ क्वेश्चंस के साथ, कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो मैं चाहता हूं कि आप खुद से पूछें। जी हाँ, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो आप पूछें और आपको पता चले आपकी खुद की कॉन्शियसनेस क्या सोचती है इसके बारे में। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स बिगिन टुडे। Now, so I wanted to ask, what is anger? आपको क्या लगता है? What is anger? Can we overcome it? Is it our creation? Or do we have any choice over choosing something else other than anger? Well, today's video is going to be about this. We need to understand one thing. But before understanding one thing, we need to ask ourselves, or I must say, I need to ask one thing from you. How many of you did got angry once in a while? Yeah, आप में से कौन कभी ना कभी आपने ये टूल ऑफ एंगर यूज किया है? अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप हर वक्त इस एंगर को यूज करते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं है, because nobody can be angry for all the time. But I'm asking about how many of you got angry for once in a while. Well, anger in different levels. Anger in thoughts, anger in words, and anger in action. Or sometimes you don't actually have to do anything. You just use your eyes. जी हाँ, हमारी आँखें ही काफ़ी हैं हमारे अंदर के छुपे हुए रेज और एंगर को बाहर शो करने के लिए। One more thing that I was thinking for myself, if I ask myself, when I'm using this anger, when I am creating this anger, am I weak or am I powerful? Because out there in the world, people say anger is powerful. Being in anger gives you efficiency in work, people start to obey you. But is it stable? Is it for all the time? Does it happen with the same efficiency, or do you need to increase your bar of this anger? If this is happening with you, well, you need to understand one thing. What is anger first of all? You need to understand one thing, that it is not something that just happens. You need to understand one thing, that you yes, you have to do something which is not actually in your power. क्या आपने कभी ये शब्द बोले, मैं करना नहीं चाहता था पर क्या करूं, परिस्थिति ऐसी है, व्यक्ति ऐसा है, मैं गुस्सा करना तो नहीं चाहता पर उन्होंने ऐसा किया। Have you ever thought that whenever we are in anger, we are using this tool of anger, we always direct someone outward. We always direct the situation which are not in our direct control. We say that it is outward. It is somewhere there. It is not in our control. If it is not in our control, then what is in our control? Actually, our own creation is in our control. क्या है हमारी creation? अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि एंगर के दौरान आपको क्या महसूस हुआ? Did you lost something? So maybe you can associate with one thing. आप भी ऐसा महसूस करेंगे कि while you use this tool of anger, you lost your peace, you lost your happiness, you were losing the stability of mind. Maybe for a short period of time, that's okay, but still you lost something. If you are losing something, is it natural? Right? This is what we all say. It's natural to get angry. Or maybe it's not. Please understand one thing, or ask yourself, I get angry, I create anger, or I choose to get angry. So let me clarify this situation. ये जो anger of tool है, we are sometimes very much comfortable in using this tool in front of some people. Like they may be our kids, they may be our employees, or they may be our juniors. They may be people who we think are inferior to us. ऐसे लोग जिन्हें हम खुद से कमज़ोर समझते हैं, we use this anger of tool very comfortably. But there are certain situations where we do not use this anger of tool, where we do not use the anger like in front of our boss, maybe in front of our loved ones. So thank goodness we are still not in the phase where we choose or where it just happens. We are still in the phase where we create the anger. कहाँ, कितनी मात्रा में, किसके सामने, हमने consciously choose किया. So don't worry at all, because you are not in the phase where it just happens. Thank goodness you are not in the phase where it just happens. जहाँ बस ये हो जाता है, because then it became natural. But right now, me and you are both in a phase where we are still creating. So if I am creating it, do I have an option? Ask yourself, do you have an option? Well, all if we create something, we have an option to create something else. Let me give you an example. This example will clarify something for you. Now suppose in this example, two people, person 1 and person 2. Here, person 1 is the person who is creating this anger. ये वो व्यक्ति है जिसने इस एंगर को, इस टूल को यूज किया. और दूसरा व्यक्ति, person number 2, is someone on which this tool of anger is being used. I can just let you choose any of the following wherever you want to be. Wherever the position you want to choose, it may be person 1 or person 2. So I just want you to choose any places. So if you are at one place, suppose you are at the place of person 2, the person 1 is creating tool of anger for you. The person 1 has created something enrages and very mean for you. You have an option whether to take it or not to take it. You still have an option whether to take that creation or not to take that creation. But the person 1 does not have any choice at all. The person who chose to create this anger has already manifested this negative energy in the environment. So how do we deal with it? Think. I'm just giving you few seconds to think about. So I've been thinking, while I give you an example to think about, I've been thinking myself and I really found it very ironical. जी हाँ, मुझे ये सोच के हंसी आई. Whenever we see this kind of scene where the person 1 is yelling at person 2, where we see this person yelling all the mean things and this poor little fellow very calm. You know, we say, बेचारा, इसके ऊपर गुस्सा कर दिया, इसको डांट सुननी पड़ी, कितनी बुरी बातें बोली, कोई बात नहीं. But what actually happens? Whenever we get angry, whenever we create this tool of anger, we lose peace, we lose happiness, we lose a lot of things. You know what are those lot of things? Just I'm giving you one more situation. Just think about a situation where I am the person who just said some very mean things to you. I am the person जिसने आपको बहुत बुरी बातें बोली, आपके ऊपर बहुत चिल्लाया. How long will you take to forgive me? Yes, how long will you take to forgive me? A year, a day, maybe a lifetime. So what happened? When I created this tool of anger, I lost my peace, I lost my happiness. थोड़ी सी बैटरी डिस्चार्ज हो गई मेरी, थोड़ी सी बैटरी डिस्चार्ज. But when I gave all those negative energies towards you, whenever you will think about me, you will create one more negative energy. You will say, मुझे ऐसा बोला ना, उनकी तो आदत ही ऐसी है. He is like that only. He can never be changed. So this actually created a energy, a negative energy into the environment around myself. Now just say my battery came down 1% when I was scolding you, when I was yelling at you. जब आपने मेरे बारे में नेगेटिव एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस की, मेरी बैटरी थोड़ी और डाउन गई. Not a big deal, right? My battery going little bit down, not a big deal. आप किसी और के पास गए. You went to a person to tell them what happened to you. How did I behave to you? What was my behavior? What was my decorum while I was talking to you? You said, उन्होंने मुझसे ऐसे बात की, अच्छे से नहीं बोला. And they'll be like, he's only like this. He can never be changed. This is his behavior. Well, this created a cycle. As many as number of people you go and tell about how I behaved with you, this is totally going to be a negative environment where I'm going to be blessed with all that negative energy always around me. Now just imagine a different scenario, right? A different scenario where you said something, you did something wrong, but I was very assertive but still compassionate. मैंने आपकी गलती आपको समझाई, but my words were not mean. My actions or my thoughts were not mean. It did not happen all of a sudden, but I actually understood your position. What will happen then? How long will you take to just forgive and forget everything that I may told you in the position where you did something wrong? आपको ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगेगा मुझे माफ़ करने में. So just choosing something else, choosing to create something else is not only a blessing upon us, but it is actually a type of lifetime fixed deposit which will keep on giving me blessing, because as many as number of people you go to, you will always tell that person is very good by nature. He never yells at people. उनका व्यवहार बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत समझदार हैं, शांत हैं. So whenever you go to people, I'll be kept on blessing my entire life. So this is about anger, understanding it consciously, understanding that we still have an option where we choose to create this tool. In our very next video, we will be talking about the practical situations. We will be talking about how to control this tool of anger, how to control the entire situation, and how to respond to rude people. Because in our life, remember, 2%, आप इन दोनों में से किसी भी अवस्था में हो सकते हैं. इट्स वेरी नेचुरल, बिकॉज हमारा कंट्रोल सिर्फ हमारे विचारों पर है. आवर कंट्रोल इज अपॉन आवर क्रिएशन. वी डू नॉट हैव एनी कंट्रोल एट ऑल वॉट एवर हैपन्स आउटसाइड आवर विसिनिटी. आवर विसिनिटी इज हियर. Let's control this. Let's choose spirituality. This is homecoming. This is awakening, and this is realization. Thank you for coming over here. Please keep on liking our content. We are really working hard to deliver a content for you. Thank you for understanding everything over here. Thank you for paying your time. Please do not forget to like and subscribe our content, and please do not forget to share it if you did like it. Namaste.